In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine multiple Excel sheets or workbooks seamlessly. To get started, open Excel and look at the top ribbon. In particular, you will want to find the Data tab. Click the Data tab on the top ribbon now. This area contains tools that help you bring data into Excel in a more organized and flexible way, especially when you need to combine information from multiple sources. Once you are on the Data tab, locate the section called Get and Transform Data. Inside that group, find the option that says Get Data, and click it. Choosing Get Data is the next step because it opens a menu of ways to import data from different file types and sources. After you click Get Data, hover over From File. This is important because it narrows the options to file-based imports rather than other types of data connections. When you hover over From File, you will see more choices appear. Now click From Excel Workbook. This tells Excel that you want to import data from another workbook, which is exactly what you need when you want to combine multiple sheets or workbooks. At this point, you will be prompted to select a file. Choose the Excel workbook that contains the sheets you want to combine. After you select the file, click Import. Importing is what actually starts the process of reading the workbook, and it will open the Navigator window next. Now pay attention to the Navigator window that appears. The Navigator window is where Excel shows you the available data objects inside the workbook, such as tables, ranges, or worksheets, depending on what Excel detects. In this window, you can choose which sheets you want to bring in. Before you select anything, look near the top of the Navigator window for the option called Select Multiple Items. Check that box. This step matters because it allows you to choose more than one sheet at a time, rather than doing them one by one. With Select Multiple Items enabled, you can now select all the sheets you want to combine. Look through the list in the Navigator window and then click the boxes next to each sheet. Take your time here to make sure you are selecting the correct sheets. If the workbook contains many sheets, it can help to quickly scan the names so you can confirm you are combining the right data. After you have checked the boxes next to all the sheets you want to include, you are ready for the final action. Click the Load button. Loading is what brings the selected sheets into Excel and prepares them for the combination workflow. Depending on your Excel setup, this may also place the results into a table view so you can review them immediately. Once loading begins, Excel will process the selected sheets based on what you chose in the Navigator window. At this stage, you can scroll through the output to confirm that the correct sheets were selected and that the data appears as expected. If anything looks off, the Navigator selections are the place you would revisit, because those boxes determine exactly which sheets are included. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.